So, I've been making bird sounds for Spooky Express for some of the ambiances, and got a couple owls. There's a bit of a delay because of a spectral denoise. So there's just like a simple little burrowing owl, kind of a vibe. We've got the great gray owl. That one, it took me a minute to really get into the mindset of a great gray owl, so I'm not going to try it again here. But then we get to the crow, and I kind of surprised myself here, I'm not going to lie. This is another one where I'm like, can I do it right now? No. It's hot. I got it there though. There we go. Anyway, I'm having fun over here.